Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your computer has been running slower over time, one of the reasons could be fragmented files on your hard drive. Fragmentation means your files are scattered across different parts of the disk, which makes Windows take longer to access them. Luckily, Windows includes a built-in tool that lets you schedule disk defragmentation. This way, your hard drive stays optimized automatically, without you having to remember to run it manually. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to schedule a defrag in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Method 1. Windows Defrag Tool. 1. Type Defrag in the search bar on the lower left of the desktop. 2. Select Defragment and Optimize Drives under Best Match. 3. In the pop-up window, click on Change Settings for scheduled optimization. 4. Now, tick the option Run a Schedule, and then you're able to set frequency for defrag and choose which drives to defrag. After these steps, click on OK to save the changes. Method 2. Try more powerful third-party utility. Step 1. Install and launch AOMEI Partition Assistant. Wait until all disks and partitions appear on the home interface, and then right-click the disk and choose Disk Defrag. Step 2. In the Disk Defrag window, click on the Schedule button. Step 3. Now you can choose which drive to defrag and decide whether to run a defrag daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, you can consider presetting on what conditions to defrag. Besides preset how often your hard drives should be defragged, you can set whether to defrag at startup or logon. And that's it. Now you know how to schedule automatic defragmentation in Windows. With this setup, your hard drive will stay optimized without you having to worry about it. Remember, if you're using an SSD, Windows will automatically run trim instead of defragmentation, so you don't need to set it up manually. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.